like you enough. And while I am a bit repulsed by your musky smell, I can appreciate that you are diamonds in the rough. Where is Rarity?
That gal probably just wants to make some sort of grand entrance. Told you.
Rarity, couldn't you have chosen a more portable instrument? Heavens, no. The grand piano is the most refined and elegant of instruments. With it, I will be able to express my full musicality.
Well, our time's up. I guess we'll have to move our practice to the gym. Guess you're gonna express your full musicality clear across campus.
Or you could play this. It's part guitar, part keyboard. It's a guitar key. You mean a keytar? Potato, tomato. Ooh, ooh. Oh my. Look at that. Goodness.
Well then, how about you take that keytar and move your tail to our next rehearsal space?
Fine, fine. I don't suppose.